Welcome to our mini washing machine showdown. Today we are comparing two fantastic portable washing machines that are perfect for small spaces, travel, and delicate items. The Bench Bravery portable mini washing machine and the Sangukiro portable washing machine both offer unique features and benefits. Let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to price, the Benchry portable mini washing machine is priced at $79, while the Sangukiro portable washing machine is slightly cheaper at $69.99. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for the best value for your money. Both washing machines feature a foldable design and come equipped with a spin basket, making them ideal for compact storage and efficient cleaning. They both have a capacity of 16 liters and utilize food-grade materials, ensuring safety and durability. This similarity makes them both excellent choices for those who need a portable washing solution. Both the Benchmary and Sangukiro washing machines offer 3 cleaning modes, allowing you to choose the duration of your wash based on your needs. These modes are designed for small loads and can handle delicate items with ease. This feature adds to their versatility and convenience for users. In conclusion, both the Benchkakuri and Sangukiro portable washing machines offer excellent features for their price points. The choice between them may come down to personal preference regarding brand and aesthetics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.